All right, let's talk about consistency. Consistency is something you do on a constant basis, usually daily, that creates a habit. Good or bad. It doesn't matter, good or bad. So if you want to change your future, change your lifestyle, create your dream lifestyle, then you have to consistently do things that create the habits that bring you to that. Most people every day are consistently doing what it takes to not be successful. They clock in, they clock out, they come home from their job, they eat dinner, and they watch TV till they go to sleep. Consistently, every day. It is a habit. It has created a bad habit. A habit that is going to lead you nowhere but to a normal, average life, right? If you want a dream life, then you have to start doing consistent things that get you into the habits that create that dream life. So start today, right now. Get out of your comfort zone. Push yourself to do something you wouldn't normally do that won't get you to your dream life. Make a Facebook post. Make a Facebook video. Take a picture of the products you're using and give a testimonial about how great it's working for you. Do something. Contact a friend. Tell them about this amazing stuff you found. How you are changing your life. Get out of your comfort zone. Start creating consistent daily habits that create routines, and it'll change your life.